guys? Hope you're having a wonderful Friday, the 5th of January. So I'm about to head outside to finally clear the snow off my car because I need to drive it somewhere. So that should be fun. I actually don't have a scraper or a snow shovel, so this is about to be interesting, guys. I actually don't know what I'm going to use. But you know what? Innovation. I'm going to figure it out. Alright, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do later. I think I found the shovel I'm going to use. You guys ready? Super. This is going to be interesting. Probably not going to do much, but I mean, it's better than nothing. So here we are. Like, it's all good and stuff, like I'm getting the snow off, but then there's a giant ass pile over here. Like, what? I don't think I can back through that. Shit, taking a break. My glasses are foggy. Can't feel my fingers. Damn. My socks are getting wet. Thing was going well. I came back for round 2 to get it done, and then I was working, and then this shit just happened. So now we're just gonna kick the snow off my shoes. Soccer out here. Just gonna flatten out, but it looks like I moved my car out. Finally got done at the bank. We opened late today, so I went over there. So now I'm gonna go pick up my partner. He went to do some praying, and I'm actually going to also hit Chipotle because you know I gotta keep going over there till I get sponsored, guys. 100%, 100%. I will be sponsored by Chipotle. I don't know how, but I will be sponsored by Chipotle. Yeah. I'm in my happy place, guys. That's fine, yeah, 100%. So I've come to realize that, I mean, like, yeah, money's awesome, it's like great, but guess what? Once you have money and you don't have people to spend it on or like cool things to do with people you love, I mean, at the end of the day, you could have all the money in the world and it won't do anything for you. Like, I'm holding the stack right here. Like, let me show you. Like, it's not much, but I mean, it's still money right here. Back in the day, like, this would have felt like so much, but not the same anymore. It's just like, it's just paper. It doesn't bring you happiness. Paper does not bring you happiness, guys, and I'm realizing that like 100%. You have to be happy with what you're doing, with the people you are with, and then the money helps you do cool things. That's what it is. It helps you go places. It helps you like do other things, but it's not gonna like bring you happiness, guys. 100%, 100%. And I'm realizing that like today more than ever, honestly. It's real. It's real. It's just paper. Somebody printed it and said it's valuable. They could have chosen like, they used to be like seashells. They used to be like rocks, man. Like it was gold. Now it's cryptocurrency. Just random like lines of code. So I'm telling you guys, it just changes nonstop. That's all it is. So don't get attached to it, guys. Don't get attached to it. Because it could burn up. It could be gone. It's just paper, guys. It's just paper. Alright, I'll see you guys later.